This was a victory for Stormy Daniels, witnessing Michael Cohen's attorney, Mr. Blakely, and Donald Trump's attorney, Mr. Harder, admit that there never was a valid agreement, which is exactly what we have maintained for almost a year now, was truly remarkable. You will recall that for months, Michael Cohen and Donald Trump lied to the American people about whether there was an agreement with my client, who knew about the agreement, whether it was enforceable, and in fact, Michael Cohen, on behalf of Donald Trump, repeatedly threatened my client with tens of millions of dollars in damages if she violated the agreement. She had the courage to come forward and challenge both of them, and to now have Mr. Harder and Mr. Blakely appear on their behalf and admit my client was right all along is truly shocking and gratifying. Void and not enforceable. And that's one of the things. The law requires, in a context like this, that the defendant submit what is called a covenant not to sue, which is an agreement not to file a subsequent lawsuit over the agreement at issue. Michael Cohen submitted one that we maintain is faulty because he reserves the right to get $130,000 back, which we do not believe he's entitled to under the law. And then secondly, Donald Trump, instead of signing a legitimate covenant not to sue, submitted, in our view, a bogus covenant not to sue through a representation by his attorney as opposed to an actual document that would be required by any other American citizen. And that's part of our argument.
Hey, so was that Blakely and Harper that was shot earlier that you talked about?